Hey everybody, and welcome to Hodl and Shill. Today is our day 22 of the Bitsgap follow along that we started, and so we're going to jump right into our results. So today our Sunbot profit is at $3,800 even, which is 29.37% total overall. Yesterday we were at $37.85 for a total of 29.43%. So a little bit higher on the overall percentage. We gained about $15 in profit, which is actually, again, very impressive considering that Bitcoin is down to 48,000 right now. So very interesting. We'll be able to, we're going to see what happens tomorrow when inflation rates are announced and see what that does for the markets, whether that makes them, go a little bit lower or they bounce higher because people are using crypto as a hedge. Either way, today we made $15 in profit, and not that much, but profit is profit, right? So let's jump in and see where we're at. We're going to start off with our newest bots. So Spell USD that we started together 2 days ago, right at the dot, 2 days ago. So that is now down to 2.59%. Our goal is to be at 2%. So very, very good. We are at 5.18% in profit on that. Currently, it's showing that it's out of funds right now, and that is just because of the fact that as the market dipped, everything else started buying, but that will bounce right back out. Then we've got our ARPA. We started this together 13 days ago, and it's just kind of been the slow moving. We'll zoom out here and look. Been slow moving it down, so we bought it up here and it dropped, and it's just kind of been bouncing sideways here, like accumulating. So it's only been 13 days. We're going to see where that's at when we're done. We've got CRO, our SBot on CRO. That's at 17 days, 0.35% profit, $29. It's only at 5.95% profit, but that's okay. We're going to leave it there. Our Bitcoin is down 3% right now. This total bot is up 2.98% in 20 days and 0.15% overall. So this is just, we're running this for the way up. It's just that Bitcoin has not been behaving itself the way we expected. And when it does run, we'll be ready for it. And our BTC3L scalper is at $67 in profit, 0.27%. In 20 days. It is also out of funds, most likely because of the way that the volatility has set in. Let's look at this chart together. Yeah, I mean, look at that. So we started up here, bought all up and down in here, and then Bitcoin drops down here, and we're kind of going sideways here, waiting for a run up. So very, very interesting to see it when you zoom out. Okay. We'll go over our Avalanche. Avalanche is out of range. It's fine. We're going to leave it. It's at 1.32% profit in 22 days. Our scalpers, we'll go over those contest results here in a minute. And NTVRK, that has been running for 23 days on the dot, and it is at 0.88%. Our goal is to be around 2%. Not terrible. We're at 20% profit overall. And our scalper. FTG is just under 1% for 28 days. We're at a profit of 25.38. Not terrible, but we might cut this in 2 days here when it hits its 30-day mark and probably use this capital differently. Yushi is at 21% profit overall, 29 days. These are the two that I have running on Gate.io, and I'm very happy with them. I mean, Floki, I actually have a bunch of Floki that I am holding outside of this, outside of the bot, just in a spot wallet, and that is at 18.81% in 30 days. So nothing crazy, but I mean, this thing has just been absolutely crazy up and down. So let's look at the volatility on that. Yeah, so look at that. I mean, that's it's pretty wild. We got it here, and it's just been up and down. Kind of, again, like with most things, we're just kind of running sideways, waiting for that skyrocket up. Okay. XYO, we've talked about that. That's doing great, 68%. Elon is one of our top at 78.24%, 1.53 a day. And our KCS is doing fine, 37% overall. Where is our JASME? Our JASME is our number one. That is at 29.88%, 78% overall. Not a change since yesterday. It's actually out of range. Waiting for that to bounce back up and start trading again to break that $1,000 mark. Okay, let's talk about the contest here for the scalper bots. Yesterday, this prize pool was at $41,190. Today, it is at $41,760. And today, we are at 261, so we went up a couple spots since yesterday out of 3,176 people. Interestingly enough, there's still people joining this, which, with... where are we at? With 5 days, 19 hours, and 5 minutes left, I don't know that I would start joining this because it's going to be really tough to generate and get some, claim some of that prize pool in 5 days. But hey, you never know, and there's only one way to find out, and that's to actually just start using it. So overall, we're going to hang out and be in here for the 5 days and see what we can do. But that's it overall. $15 in profit's not anything super exciting, but we're not red. There's when Bitcoin dips, a lot of portfolios go red, sentiment goes down, everybody gets bearish. I'm happy with the $15 in profit. I'm happy with hitting 3,800, especially recovering the profit that we took to start the Spell USD bot together. This would probably be closer to 4,000 if we hadn't taken profit to start this bot. So very good overall. And very happy with 29.38%. So we're going to keep this going. And I hope that you are enjoying these videos. Please be sure to take action with them. I hope that you are learning from them and using the things that we're doing here on your own. Please leave any comments, questions, concerns, any kind of feedback in the comments below. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and join us for tomorrow's video. And that's going to be a wrap for tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow.